This is the Nature Watch Star Seeker kit where you learn about constellations. Step 1 is to take a scissors and cut out the shaded area. That shaded area has a little hole to help you get started. Once you've cut out the shaded area, your Star Seeker will look like this. And at this point, we go ahead, fold it over, crease along the fold, and now we're going to cut along the dashed line. As we cut, we're going to cut both sides of the sheet of paper. Next, we're going to staple right where it tells you to staple. One spot here, another spot here, and then we're going to rotate the Star Seeker. The third spot is here. Depending on the age of the student, you may want that to be something that the instructor does. The next step is to cut out the wheel portion of the Star Seeker, and you're just going to cut right along the dotted line all the way around until it's a circle. The final step is to insert the wheel portion into the base. You're going to go ahead and open up the base and slide it right in. It takes just a little bit of finesse to get past the staples. And once the wheel is in, you have completed your Starfinder. Keep in mind that there are instructions right on the project itself. So if you have any questions, you can always refer to those. Hope you enjoy making and using this really cool Star Seeker.